Have you met General Sherman? General Sherman is not an army general, but General Sherman is the name of a gigantic sequoia tree. Stands at an impressive height of almost 280 feet, 279 feet to be precise. To put that into context, that is as tall as a 26-story building, right? That's the height of this tree. Sequoia trees on an average are about 250 feet tall. So how did these trees become so tall? Well, it traces its origin to its seed. Its seed is a very ordinary brown looking seed, right? Just about 4 mm in size, small. But contained within this small seed, an ordinary looking seed, is abundant potential. Somebody beautifully, on speaking about the seed power, actually said this: you can count the number of seeds in an apple, but you can never count the number of apples in one apple seed. Really driving home the point about the unlimited potential of one seed. A seed is useless even if it's kept in a beautiful showpiece or in a beautiful jar above the surface. A seed is purposeful only when it is buried in the soil and you give it an opportunity to germinate and to sprout. Then it just grows into its fullest potential, providing fruit and shade. So it is with you and me. I'm here to tell you that you got seed power. I have seed power. Within you and me, there are seeds of greatness, right? And if you give these seeds an opportunity to germinate and to sprout out on the soil of life, well, it will give birth to books, to businesses, to projects, to assignments, to purpose, and culminate in a legacy. So many seeds have gone wasted. And I'm here to remind you to identify the seed power that's within you and to give those seeds an opportunity. You're saying, hey Rajiv, but how do I recognize these seeds within me? Well, the seeds within you are in the form of dreams, are in the form of ideas, in the form of insight, in the form of gifting, ability. And sometimes, in the busyness of life, I want to tell you the biggest enemy to life is busyness. In the busyness of life, we ignore these seeds. And when you and me choose to ignore these seeds, don't identify these seeds, don't pursue after the seeds that are within you, then we end up living at best average lives or above average life, when we could have otherwise lived lives which were so tall, just like the sequoia trees. When we live our lives and pursue after those seeds that are there within us, those seeds burst forth purpose and burst forth satisfaction and legacy. You see, this like how the purpose of a seed is manifest when its potency within it gets converted into fruitfulness. You and me are purposeful when the potential within us gets converted into tangible reality. So as I close, let me ask you, have you identified your seed power? Have you engaged with that seed power? If you are not, I would encourage you to seriously introspect. I would encourage you not to postpone or wait for the right time to go after that idea that's there within you, to go after that, that gifting that's there within you. Because when you engage with your seed, right, the seeds of greatness will manifest into greatness and significance in your life. Thank you for watching Leadership Vocabulary. This is Rajiv signing off. I would encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll find content on faith and on leadership.